Hello adventurers, just a quick one in the garage. Got some news, got a new bike. Over the years I've done adventuring in my car, on my bike, even an aeroplane, and spent a lot of time on this bike here, but now have this brand new bike right here. This here is the SL5 Trek Checkpoint. It's their dedicated carbon gravel bike, full carbon frame and carbon forks. And what else have I fitted it out with? I've got a couple of bottles on here for water, a little toolbox down the bottom. So far I've got GoPros at the rear and a GoPro at the front. That one's using the Max Lens mod. I also put that one on the helmet. Full hydraulic brakes, front and rear, so little master cylinders in there. I've got a light on the front. This here remote links to both the GoPros and turns them on and off both at the same time. And I've got a Garmin that is a Edge 830. That's the bike computer, heart rate monitor, and navigation and all that sort of stuff. Here I have, just on here, this has got all, as you can see here, it's got points everywhere that you can bolt things to. And I've got a small bag bolted to there, and I will get a frame bag that will go in the frame, and I will get a bag on the seat, and it also can have bags on the forks here. So I'll fit that all out. It does have in-frame storage. There's a little hatch there, and there's actually a full tube in there. So if I do bust a wheel, even though they're tubeless, I can stick a tube in and keep riding. On the other side here, if I just make it around here, there is a small bike pump. And that's that's just got a couple of little tools in it. So that's the new adventure machine. At the moment, I am just getting fit enough to be able to ride 100 Ks and then back it up the next day with 100 Ks. That's my current goal, is to be able to do that. So not a bad machine. I've done quite a few Ks on it so far. I actually did 50 Ks yesterday, and I'll probably just do a short one today. But yeah, look forward to some adventures on this machine. Just something new, something a little bit different. All right, coming up to the back of home. Oh, the hills never stop. Should just tick over 50. All right, so there you have it, guys. That is a quick preview of the next project, and hopefully it creates some good content along the way, inspires people to maybe have a crack at something like this. I don't know how I'll go. I've got a lot of work to do until I can really go anywhere on this that's long distance, but you got to give it a crack, right? So at the moment I'm getting the fitness level up, and once I believe I can actually do a multi-day long distance ride, I'll buy all the bags, everything, and attach to the bike. So keep an eye out for that. Until the next one, have a good one.